William Edward Boeing, born in 1881 to 1956, is one of the most famous names in aviation. In 1916, in Seattle, Washington, he helped set up the Public Aero Products Company. This later became the Boeing Company, with Boeing himself as its president. Today, it is the largest aerospace company in the United States, employing more than 100,000 people. Everybody knows Boeing's most famous plane, the 747 or jumbo jet, the most successful commercial airliner ever built. But Boeing has built many other successful jets, including the 707, the 727, and the 737. The company also makes military airplanes and parts for spacecraft. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.